Okay. Check for pipe racks. Avoid running over stanchions. Don't know what does this mean, but let me run it for you. Okay, so here you can see it is satisfying the rule. But frankly speaking, there should be some more detail over here about what this check is. I have not really a good idea about what they are doing in the program, because only programmer knows this, and this should be clearly instructed to the users. Okay, no 45-degree elbow used. For example, anywhere in this pipe 45-degree elbow was used, it could have been failed. Support heavy component. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Fast wall. We do not have wall. Minimum distance between component. So it is calculating distance between each component. Failed here. Boom 2. Okay. Minimum distance between previous component elbow 9 to leave tube of elbow 9. So this distance is from element 347.6. Component done. Minimum distance rule is, so 1 meter distance should be there, but it is from the end of this elbow to the center of this elbow. It is 347.6. So it is not satisfying the rule. Okay, so it is highlighting the second highlight colors past should be pink. Okay, so whatever components are passed are highlighted in magenta, and whatever failed are highlighted in red. So in this way, you can develop your own functions. So each of these, I repeat, each of these check is a PML function. It can range from simple functions to complex function, and you can plug in your functions over here and produce the result. The highlighting and the dimensioning and all these things will be displayed as a part of this utility.
Hi, Harry.
Yes, please.
Yeah. This function is saved. Where this function is saved?
Where this function is saved?
Yes.
This is saved in PML library. You know little PML?
Yes.
Okay, so this should be a checker. I think something named, yeah, design checker. One folder location.
Okay. Thank you.
Functions.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome. So you have to, if you want to really read it, maybe sorry, check cable spec, handrail level, sorry, piping one where it is piping wall drip. Where straight run. Check pocket, check pipe spacing. Okay, if you open it, fine. So some description is there, who has written it and all those things. Return to check result, element to be checked. Check pipe minimum spacing. This is a description. So you can see, if you know PML, so it has some parameters, some definition, and what is the return type. So return type is fixed. You have to fix in this format. Okay, so it is using some object. Objects are there in also for design checker. Some objects are okay. What more? Any questions? So many companies have customized functions for themselves, and before issuing data for IFC, they will run this check and rectify the errors. It is very useful. Any questions? So apart from this, you want to know anything more about piping, except the supports we'll do in supports training, but any more questions?
Hi, Harry.
Yes,
I
please.
I have question about the branch head, the branch tail. Before PDMS, we can connect the branch. We can select a multi-way. So maybe I can choose one P point. So now
Yes.
in E3D, I can find something like that. So if I need to connect multi-way, I only solution is use non-standard connection.
No. It's even more simple here. That there's a pick, arrow pick, right? So you can just a minute. So if you wish to connect ping modified pipe. So for all kind of connection, you should use this button, pick
Yes.
item to connect to. So
Yes.
uh, example, I think mm, yes. In multi-way, it was setting the reference, but let me see any multi-way is there or not. Just a second. So if any cross is there, I will check, and then let me see if it allows to pick the P point or not. Pick head position. Cross. This is okay, but this is MDST. Let's say this is cross and do P3 bore. Okay. So now if I wish to connect this branch, head. See, it shows you either cross P3 point or P4 point.
Okay.
Right?
So this is depends on the catalog. The P point need have some setting, so you can select this.
I, no, only thing is the P point should have a bore in catalog.
So if
Right?
if we in catalog the elbow have the P3 can connect, then I can choose in design, right?
Sorry, I didn't get what you are exactly saying.
Oh, I mean, uh, now because this is closed, so I have P3 and P4 can choose.
Yeah.
If I add the P3 point in the elbow I customization, so if I choose the elbow, I can find the P3 in here.
Yes, exactly. It should only point is when you add P3 in elbow, you should supply some bore and a connection. Then it
Okay,
will pick
so
it.
I setting this in Paragon.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
I
for example,
understand.
I'm picking here. it only just